Okay, we're kind of slightly early, but that's fine. Let's go. So, saying, you got my Steam and suggestion. Do I know you? Which one? Because I do have two Steams, but you probably have the latest one. I don't even know if I'm disabling there. I don't even know if I linked it to Discord actually. Actually, I just have to check my profile. Okay, I can't see because of the streamer mode. Never mind. Oh, the stream. Alright, that makes more sense then. Yeah, no, I get the joke now. Because, I mean, it is technically possible because I've been using Steam on lives and stuff, but for it to be suggested, it would mean that you would have played with me on something, and I don't think this happened earlier. Now that makes sense with the R. So anyway, I realized that I've missed something quite important for this Monkey update 2, which is the tag turret. They're doing something different. I was a little bit too eager to ship this, so let's go do that. This chat box is not very useful. Yeah. You forgot to add billets? Well, I pretty much forgot to just make it being different in general. So I'm gonna go with the data factor first. Do I need to create a... I'm gonna label everything in a great update. Let's see. What color can it be? A bluish? Fine. Okay, this. Let's have it bluish. Card is gone. So we said dot refactor. And upgrade update. Maybe it's not refactor, but refactor. Oh yes, there is. Oh, there's just probably no colors on it. Let's see. Yeah, it has to be. Let's make it with an R, because I think refactor is the actual word. All right. Next card. That was tag turret at factor. Cool. Let's go. So yeah, first thing I want to do is create a dot turret. Yes, so let's create a new one. New inherited scene component. Rename this dot. Remove the script. Let's go. You will rejoin when you get home. Alright. You actually get home pretty late, don't you? Yes, I do. Oh, you're 2 hours early? Jeez. It's gonna be pretty chill in there. The resource starts. And yeah, I think it's just a question of maybe I don't necessarily even need to. This could go as a kind of common. Oh, maybe not. Because if it is common, it means that those variables must be common as well. Okay, so tack turret. Body area and branch area. Oh, maybe I do need. But here I will have to change this branch collision, right? So I'm gonna delete that. Oh. Can't operate this because it is inherited. Yeah, that makes sense. So maybe I do need to remove it. Actually, have it in there, right? So I'm gonna say that and paste here. It is actually a lot of things which must be kind of local. Maybe I should create a list for this because I kind of need to keep track of what I'm doing. So, what did I just do? The branch related code. That's the things I will have to do after. Right. The branch collision here, and ask for the tag. Node not found. Yeah. Let's create collision. What about a rectangle? Yeah, so we gotta define the size. What about 75 pixels? Yeah, oh, that's the problem. Transform. How do you know? Yes, that's probably 75 divided by 2. Yeah. Alright. So this should be 1 collision shape. So that's going to be north. And what I do after that is duplicate and rotate, maybe. Rotation 45. Oh. I can't change the offset. Oh, that's complicated. So maybe we can have bullets. Maybe we can have bullets. So right here, calculating this can be kind of tricky, I think. What is Q? Oh. Interesting. Pretty adjustable. Yeah, that's the thing, because, well, technically it's possible to create those manually, but yeah, it is possible actually. Now, it's probably easier to create bullets. So what if we create bullets? Pretty scene. Other node. The Ria 2D? Yeah, that would be a bullet. This has a collision shape. And we could have this as a rectangle. (32 by 32). Yeah. And you probably could have a thing in there. Like the code that destroys a balloon. Right, bullets. On area entered, I guess? What is it? Area entered. This is our signal. Let's connect. So on area entered. So if not, area is a balloon area 2D. Return. Otherwise, maybe I should steal the code from the turret. Let's see. That's pretty much it, actually. Area. As a balloon area 2D. Got it? Is that it? Yeah. Oh. Before the bullets, we probably want to have a kind of cooldown. No, pierce. So variable pierce. Pierce is inferior or equal to 0. Q3. Otherwise, Pierce -1. You can actually do that before. Well, maybe not. I just think an else is going to be interesting here. You avoid some kind of weird thing if you try to change piece on something which has been queued. Or maybe it's anyway waiting for the end of the frame, so that's fine. We have this themed path. Bullet. Oh, that's a string. Maybe static function create. Oh, maybe it's important to give it a direction. Interesting. Reload path must be a constant string. So const. Okay. Do you mind? No, it's cool. We can. Oh, come on. Yes, that's fine. For a second I thought you couldn't use constant and static together. So we're getting the PS as well, and then probably direction. Hi Malik, how you doing? I'm wondering if the direction is important here. Probably. This way the bullet knows in which directions to go. So we probably want to move. Position plus equal direction multiplied by speed multiplied by delta. And of course we do need speed. At 40, I don't know how fast this is. We will have to see that. Maybe I want to be able to change the speed as well. Lifetime could be interesting. So, variable lifespan 1 second. And here, lifespan, it's gonna be reduced by delta. If lifespan is inferior or equal to 0, we're gonna queue free. It seems correct, I guess. So let's see. Branch collision. Branch area collision. Oh, we have the branch area. Great. But technically, this can stay in whatever it was previously. Cut. So there's a difference between range and shooting, sort of. So the question is, what does the turret do when something's in range? That's the thing. Scan for balloons. Right. And instead of hitting the target, it does get the target position and do something with that position. So if target here, we create another function. Fire, and we have a target position. The target position. Cool. Oh, maybe it's actually easier to send this target in. What is the target? Balloon area 2D. Let's get the target position. But again, maybe with the balloon we can do something slightly better, like target dot balloon, and this takes not a vector 2, but a balloon. Target balloon. Or just target, it's fine. Never used, well, if you wish. Okay, so from there, we can go in our dart turret. And override fire. And overwrite this. What do we do with that? Maybe we do create a bullet. Let's create a bullet. So we need direction. Right. We need direction. So technically, if we want to get this direction, we just need take the position. Oh no, not the position. target dot position minus self position, and we normalize this. This should be okay. Here's 0 and speed. It's gonna be 40, that's fine. Okay, do we test this? I don't know if I broke something. Game starts. Okay. And we don't fire. Kinda weird. Turret. Fire? Is it because of this? I don't think so. Fire target blue. Oh wait, maybe because I don't spawn dot turrets. Right? Yes, wait a second. Right here. Dot turret dot create this. Oh, I think I forgot the breakpoint. Yep. But it's not any better. We should go there. Yeah. Do we go there? Oh, I don't add child. I always do that. I always do that. Yeah, maybe 40 is too slow. Let's see. You're back! Welcome back, Darian. How you doing? Okay, maybe that's right too slow. Yeah, I think I forgot something important. Masking the collision. Let's see, Rangeria will have mask 2, so technically bullets should have this mask 2 as well. Yeah, there we go. Not very well. You didn't really do anything today, Buzzy, and now you need to go to bed. But tomorrow is the last day. After that, I go 2 days break. You love the PPT? Great. Well, not doing something during the day is like fine, but where are bullets? Right there. Look. Pew 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 pew. But I do feel like they sometimes hit twice. They are bullets. Yeah, here they hit twice. That's bad. This is 86 with REX on. I don't have the reference. I don't think you knew about Mr. Proper. Oh, that's a French thing. I mean, we have it in France. This is... yeah, let's see. Where's bullet? On area entered. Yeah. Or here's inferior to 0. This should allow the bold dude to score. Yeah. He makes things clean. Even his boldness. Actually, there is a really easy way to check this. If we get more than 1 money by 1. Let's see. Yeah, that's bad. I don't understand how this is possible. But anyway, let's change the shape. Something more bullety. Wait, you did bullet things with collisions? Not really collisions, areas, but that's it, yes. I mean, yes, yeah, collisions. But yes, I did. But I'm kind of confused of why it can sometimes touch 2 things at once. Yes, right there it touches 2. There's no reason why it does that. Wait a second. Pierce is equal to 0. Hit 2 because it goes into the hitbox, right? Yes, but here I'm doing this. When the balloon enters the area, it does the hit on it, and then it checks pierce. If it is inferior or equal to 0, it disappears. So it should go away. You can check if enemy died or something like this. I had this problem in a vampire-like game. Well, technically we'll kind of have a feedback by having the money increasing by 1 every time a balloon pops. It's just like, it is probable that on 1 single frame, 2 balloons are touched. Applies to both entities if the execution interval is a little larger than the frames. Yeah. What if we make the bullet super small? Can you make the balloons not come in so many? It is possible as well. Right, let's see. It looks like it's missing now. Can we see it? Balloons are too fast. Yeah, let's change the balloon speed. What do you say about this? You can check if enemy died or something like this. Oh, wait, what? I had this problem in my vampire game. Only that helped. You can check if enemy died. Huh. I'm not sure I get it. Oh wait, no, it was not problem. Okay. Why did they miss? Or even 75 is fast. Wait a second. Ugh. What if I get it back to 1 pixel? And I'm gonna read that afterwards. Yeah, something's wrong anyway. Like, I shouldn't be relying on this thing being so small. It doesn't work anyway. From what you know, how it works in Battlefield 6. When a balloon... Oh no! Balloon's tower defense, maybe. When a balloon enters the terrorist range, the turret chooses that balloon as target, and until it destroys that balloon, it won't hit anything else. I mean, you can make it so that when a balloon enters the terrorist range, be the first one, it enters the same group as the balloon. Oh, like, maybe you can... You mean like assigning the target to the bullet so that the bullet only destroys the target? That's actually kind of smart. And also Godot has a problem with fast collisions. Yeah, no shit. I mean, the balloon and the bullet should be in the same group. Collisions with high velocity. This way you can solve which balloon will be targeted based on the group. I wouldn't necessarily go with creating groups, but here, look at that. Dots. I mean, let's go with the bullet. Let's remove this and create targets. Target is the balloon. So direction is equal to target dot position minus equal. Oh, I don't have the position. Yikes. I'm gonna keep the direction. I'm just gonna check here. But the problem is that it doesn't handle Pierce. Okay, maybe I know how to do Pierce. So if target is equal to area.balloon, area as balloon, area to the balloon, we hit it, and we just ignore Pierce. And we just need to add target. Oh wait, this bullet isn't... I mean, I'm moving it with code, and I'm not, like, propelling it with the velocity. It doesn't have velocity. Anyway. I just need to change my fire method, and I'm ready to read the chat again. Target balloon. Target direction. Yeah, try this, and I read. Yeah, well, now they are... That works. They're kind of stuck together, yeah. But it's fine. So, collisions with high velocity, this way you can sew. That's what I thought. It wouldn't be difficult to implement. And so you can make settings for the turret to attack closest, last, first. Yeah, those kind of settings do work, of course. But in this situation, it's not in the scope of the first release. So, not yet. But maybe later. So maybe we can make the bullets slightly bigger now. Oh, but it's not gonna work for the tac turrets. Because tac turret doesn't have any target. So... Honestly, I may end up doing the tac turret thing with... maybe its title is broken. Yeah, that's right. Let's say that. Is it broken? Live. Indeed it is broken. And no one told me. Well, yes you did. Oh, so many videos. I'm gonna do that later after I forget. Hi. Oh, I forgot. I have an idea, but I don't want to try it. It's just how... Yes, I could. That's what I thought. The thing is, I have to figure out this Pierce thing. Because... Okay, I have another idea. Let's not do this. What's wrong? What is wrong is that the TAC turret technically doesn't have a target. Can you see what I write? Now I can. And it's wrong, like your message disappeared and came back. Do I have more messages in there? Well, that's the one you retracted yourself, yeah. Looks fine now. So I'm gonna scan for balloons instead. I have no idea really. YouTube's is a kind of a mystery to me. Okay, so let's have a scan for balloon. Right, what does it look like? Maybe I can copy this and take what is important. Ah! What is the problem with the piercing? The problem is that even though it's supposed to only pick one balloon based on the pierce, because it's can go and probably this one. Based on the algorithm I did, just going through one balloon should delete the bullets, but the second one kind of received its signal before the pierce was reduced by 1. So because of that, the second one is also destroyed while it shouldn't. What if I do that? Target. And Q3. I want to make sure I don't have any more targets in there. It would be harder that way if you want to pop 2 balloons at once. Use groups. Yeah, but the thing is that when you have a tag tower, the tag tower doesn't target any specific balloon. So yeah, what if I just remove that altogether? I don't get the signal. And I actually don't get a target, I just get a direction. And I probably need a range. But this was later. It works in your head. It is possible to technically calculate one target by area and have 8 targets, but seems like I'm gonna try this first. I didn't expect to be so tired at this time. Yeah, I did wake up early. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. No, this doesn't save. You're going, it's late. You should go to sleep. Well, I just started. But yeah, I will probably not stay very long. Because anyway, I've been streaming today for like 2 or 3 hours before, so yeah. And yeah, good night to you. Oh wait, does it work really? I think it does. Let me see that again. Beautiful, I like it. Pew, 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 pew. I really like it. It's kind of satisfying, really. So anyway. Scan for balloons. So this is in there. And yeah, technically we can now add pierce. We need to add pierce and we need to add range. Cool. So maybe the speed is not the most important. So pierce, range. This is gonna be range. And pierce. Base range could be 35.0. And why are you crying, by the way? Because the stream's gonna end soon? I don't know. Or maybe because Darian left. Could be another reason. there a way to get kind of the distance traveled? Like range minus equal b dot delta. You just want it? Yeah, I feel you. I know this feeling of wanting to complain for no reason. Yeah. So if lifespan is inferior or equal to 0 or range. This is most likely going to be useful for the attack turrets. Where did we get the range? Source dot range. Okay, maybe we can try to code the attack turrets. Okay, we just have to. Yeah. So here, no targets. We just need to throw 8 bullets. So we need to create a few directions. So let's see. Hey Mark, how you doing? Well, do I really need to normalize a vector 2 with 1, 0? Probably not. Alright, where am I? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. One, 0, 1. Minus 1, wait. Minus 1, 1. I don't remember what I said. I'm kind of focused, so I don't remember if I asked what's going on. Yes, I did. Doing good. How's the game coming along? Yeah. So I did a stream this afternoon. So we have a little bit of new things in there. This is kind of outdated. Yeah. New turret creation. We have a new kind of turret. And now the range is updating based on the range that we set in the resource. And they have different prices and stuff. And we have a few quality of life, so vector 2 dot up, down, etc. Interesting. Yes. So let's try something. I think that will work. Cool, yeah, I'm just gonna finish that and I can show you, because I think like right now the game doesn't work. I mean, It probably works. Anyway. Vector 2 dot down Why is it wrong though? Could not find type vector. Oh, interesting. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That checks out. Wait, is this good? Does this work? That would be nice. Right, this is the moment of truth. Wait, you know what? I'm gonna remove the areas. And I'm gonna add a visible thing to the bullets. Quick load. Oh, perfect. Like, how is that exactly the same size? What are the odds? Probably more than I think. Okay, right, so we now have 2 turrets, like the first one and the TAC, which is kinda short-ranged. And yeah, we can select... Oh. I can't deselect. Yike. So this is kind of a bug, but yeah, I will find this out. Let's see. It looked okay. Yeah, it's nice. I think I will buff the attack turret slightly. 85 maybe. And I just don't understand why. Okay, so here I reselected, and that's where the problem comes from. That's awesome, isn't it? Oh, wait a second. Why did it shoot so early? Because it did shoot very early. What is... Oh, yes. It's probably because of that. I changed this slightly, and maybe the attack turret isn't updating. Just like the other one. No, it doesn't have more. That's weird. Wait. Oh, okay. those aren't... They are the same results. Yes, seems like wrong added radius, exactly, and that's because they share the same results for the circle shape. So what if I, right here, I make it unique here? No, it doesn't work. Maybe if I make it unique there, then. I don't know. One should work. Otherwise I will have to script it. Which is kind of okay, but slightly annoying. Oh, I think we're good. Yes, there we are. Nice. That didn't hit, really? Come on! What's going on? Wait, I want to see that again. It's like they disappeared before they hit. It's like they die at the range of the tag turret. See, their range is tag turret range. Nice aim, Mr. Turret. I don't know why. Because... Wait, didn't. I would go in there and make sure that we do create a duplicate. Try to purchase type. Create ghost turret type. Ghost turret. Source. Create ghost. Create this. Duplicate. I do duplicate. Oh, is it the wrong resource? No, that's kind of weird. Or is it because the bullets? Oh. Range? Oh. Yeah. It's that stupid. Fixed. Another shared resource? I thought, but it wasn't. It's just that I didn't apply the resource. Nice. Cool. Debugger. Interesting. Let's see. Branch. Oh. I don't even know what range is. Oh, is it a function? Yes, it is. Alright. Cool. So... here. Dot refactor. So technically I can remove this. Oh. Wrong button, it seems. So that refactor is done. Turret attack is done as well. So we can probably start dealing with the upgrades. And this guys is kind of, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. So let's see. I want the turret to have 2 upgrades. Let's start with a simple one. Range increase. So the dart turret should have the information in its resource. So we can kind of do something like first upgrade boat. Well, technically I want to use purchased, but that's longer. The semicolon. We have this for second upgrade purchased. False. But maybe I should create resources for those. So you say, I wonder if it is possible to delay turret attack. What do you mean by delay? And technically the answer is yes. I'm going to create a new resource. And I'm going to create a card because I'm working on nothing right now. Oh, classmate. That's nice. Await X seconds before each attack. It technically does. Attack delay, CD, perform attack. Attack delay. You mean attack animation? Because right now we have the cooldown, but that's probably not what you mean, otherwise. Yeah, so you mean a wind up. I think so. This is for animation purpose, right? Yes. It should be possible. It should be possible, right? Right. I mean, I don't see why we couldn't. Resource upgrade. Name. We have a cost. For attack charge plus 10,000 to UX. You mean this? Is that what you're talking about? Or the charging effects? I mean, technically we can consider that we don't need... You have the effect in there. The second one? What's about the second one? Never mind. You're confusing me so badly. I think I missed something. No, it's not in there. I'm gonna leave it like this at the moment. At the moment, you see turrets to have bows. Meanwhile, Merc just got a big bowl of chili. Yum. Well, okay, it's time for the unusual anecdote. Recently, I've met someone who told me he is basically cooking pasta without boiling water. So what he does is having the raw pastas kind of like... I'm missing the vocabulary for cooking. He's... Okay, so it's sort of browning the pastas into oil for a very short amount of time, and then once it is starting to crackle, or cracks a little bit or sizzles, you know, it has this little cooking sound, you add just a little bit of water, and you pretty much cook the pastas this way by just adding a very few amount of water, and every time it evaporates you add some more. And the result of that is that the pastas are actually much better at the end. They're much tastier and not like water... watery. I don't know how to say that, but it's a very different texture and taste. So yeah, very interesting concept. I really like this discovery. And I absolutely assume being a pervert when it comes to food. No problem with that. So that were the food cooking tips. I need an enum. Can I really use the same word 3 times for the class name, the enum, and the static dictionary? You never heard of that? Sounds like it's good though. Yes, it actually is. It's kinda confusing. The first time I did it, I really failed because I ended up adding too much water and waiting for way too long. But the second time, I went very slowly and stopped the cooking much earlier. And yeah, it was very different. Very cool. So list, we're gonna have dot range. 1 upgrade. You don't have to try one day for sure? Yeah. And what's kind of interesting is that you can change the type of oil you're using. Eventually, I think you can try with butter. I don't know because I never cook with that, and he never does too. So it's kind of like the rice actually. You know how you pre-cook the rice in oil very shortly before you add the water? It's kind of the same thing. Okay, I need to create one. Resource upgrade. What is that? How is that no? I disagree. Oh, because of you. Right? Yes, because of you. I'm really missing textures right now. So dot range, copy UID. Okay, we have one. Okay. Back to turret resource. Okay. So I need... Oh. Oh. I need to make sure that when I click and select a turret, the user interface has the information. So select, probably. Yes, select. So maybe I should add a behavior here that says... Wait, okay. I'm thinking about so many things at once. Okay, first, let's have this turret info Yeah. Have it false. Okay. We can send a turret here. Yeah, let's just see if this does what I want to do, and it probably does. Right? You add a turret. You select it. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. So here we're just gonna throw turret info. Select self. Here, turret info. You select self. You select. Right. Cool. Nice. Did I spot a bug? Yes, so that's kind of odd. Why this one and this one only? Guys, you have 2 minutes to tell me why this doesn't disappear. You don't know? Well, that's too bad. Won't wait those 2 minutes. That's probably a question of something around this. The selected turret is different than so. Wait, if selected turret is different than self and not null, we deselect it. When does it happen exactly? When we switch like this, it's fine. But then when I go escape, okay. What is this one in particular? That's so confusing. So yeah, we have it once. We deselect that. There we go. We deselect it. And it stays. So it's true because the other one is selected. It's true. Yeah, you were thinking about something else. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of confusing. Not gonna lie. So, turret. Let's just make the first upgrade. We probably need like what if I create methods like get first upgrade and get second upgrade? So this way dot we do return, let's see, air upgrade f hold on, upgrades. Doctrine. Let's go. I have the first one. So here, thread info. Variable upgrade. There you go. And I'm gonna create. No, I'm not gonna create nothing. I'm just gonna say that this one will return the exact same thing. So thread info. Right, upgrade 1. It's a unique name. The text is going to be equal to, let's create something. So upgrade name, cost, something like this. And yeah, I need to bind the buttons. I think that's gonna be the last thing. I'm starting to get cooked. Brain is slowing down very heavily. You've extended the 2 minutes. Do you have it so that when you select one, it deselects the others? Yes. Let's see. When you select one, if there is something that is selected and that is different than self and then different than null, I deselect it. range indicator dot visible equal true. Maybe I can try to look at that. Here it appears, right. Then here it appears right there. Let's breakpoint here as well. Then when I click there, one becomes false, the other true. Okay, and now I escape, it becomes false. But apparently not. I grab it. Range indicator. Or is it because the range indicator? No, the name doesn't change. That's honestly very confusing. I can't know. So I was biting buttons. So I think it's necessary at this point to have the logic go in the turret itself. So we're gonna keep the turrets. Right? And yeah, right here we're gonna try to purchase. Okay, so what does it do? If resource dot first upgrade purchased return, then we get the cost and we basically consume, I think, just like when we try to purchase right here. We kind of do that. If not currency, consume currency. If not, currency, consume. Well, get first upgrade. Dot cost. And we say bravo. Woo! Do we return one? Yes, dot range. Okay, cool. So instead, we're gonna say that this will start push the upgrade purchase to fall through. And then what happens as a consequence is it's gonna go here. So dot. I'm just gonna copy paste just to be sure. I think we're good. Dart range cost 100. Let's start the game. Oh, yep. Inputs. Yeah, I think I forgot to bind something. What's in there? I think I... Oh. Yeah. Also ready. Can we make this work? Can we make this work? Indeed, it doesn't exist. I'm so sorry. Not that much. Wait, did we actually spend money here? Oh, I forgot something quite important actually. But I think I did spend money, yes. I'm doing something so confusing that it becomes kind of... Okay, so anyway, get first upgrade. Buy first upgrade. Current range plus equal 100 and update range. And when we do purchase this successfully, we apply first upgrade. Okay, I think we're good. This time, that's the right one. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Whoa, that's maybe too much. That's a little bit too much. Uh-huh. There we go. That's beautiful. Let's try to actually buy for the dart Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. It's so gonna crash. Why did I put everything in reverse? Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah, it didn't crash. That's the good thing. It did just pass, but take my money. It did take my money. Oh yeah, bro, nice. I know. Bonk, 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 bonk. I don't know if it is present in the first Bloons version, but normally you cannot upgrade on 4th level to branches at the same time. You cannot upgrade on 4th level to branches at the same time. Did you T9 something? I don't even know what 4th level is. Yeah, that's better. Definitely better. Because there's only one level. No, there's no level. You just have 2 upgrades and you can buy each upgrade once. The concept of branches makes a little bit more sense now with that information. Let's see, George. Direct range indicator persists. That's so crazy. No, for real, I don't understand. Okay, let's try something. I did that. Can I search it? It's place. Oh yeah, you cannot max 2 branches at the same time. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Maybe it's a problem from deselect. So what is that organizer setup you're using? It is Obsidian, but there's something you need to know about it. This is a plugin from Obsidian, so if you want to have this, you first need to download Obsidian, and then once you are inside of it, you need to go in the settings and community plugin. Allow, because by default it's not allowed, so you just have to click one button here, and then you can browse to look for Kanban, and there you are. But it's not in by default. Yeah, I want to check something. Okay, let's try it differently. Let's use the 2 turrets. And yeah, it's kind of interesting. is the first one, which is locked. So what if I give me more money and try adding more? Okay, awesome, thanks. And you're welcome, I guess. Let's add a few more. And then I take this one and I press escape. It's like only the last one can be deselected. Oh! You won't create damage upgrade? Probably not. In the first balloon version, all balloons have 1 HP, and destroying them spawns. Lower level balloons. So, I will probably be sleeping on it. Because it looks like only the last one you create don't have the bug. All the other ones, they have it. So yeah, I don't know. And you want me to Google Moab? Why so? It's a city from Utah? What's about that? Oh, now it's a shoe. But anyway, oh, okay. I'm so tired anyway, so I'm probably gonna go lower class balloons as blimps. Okay, so they are tanks. It's just out of scope. So it could be in the super secret settings, but yeah, otherwise it's out of scope. Massive ordinary air blimp. No, it's not a mod. It's not a mod of all balloons. It's a blimp. So yeah. Yeah. Oh, I gotta rename the strings. I gotta add this. I'm gonna put that under refactor actually. Right, so thank you guys for being here. That was really cool having you for this late stream. And have a great rest. Yeah. That's the thing. I'm just gonna hope that the dentist isn't gonna take too long. Because, yeah. Could be responsible for the exhaustion as well. So anyway, I'm just gonna disappear and this. So yeah, thank you guys for being here. That's actually a great progress we have today. I forgot I need to ship this. Let's reload to make sure everything's saved. Yeah. Okay, let's go. What do we have here? I guess we can say it's the upgrade update. Sort of. But those are prototyping updates anyway. So it's fine if they're not full. Now. I will see you guys tomorrow, I guess. What day is it? Oh, it's a Friday already. You're gonna play some piano for a little. That's cool. I did play that when I was young, but I stopped because, yeah, having a piano is not very convenient sometimes. So, yeah, I'll see you maybe tomorrow afternoon and evening. We'll see about that. You guys have a good evening / night / everything, and I'm out.